How to implement a Google Cloud and microservice solution with the Google Cloud Store. Create a Google Cloud IAM service account. To get started, navigate to the Cloud Store platforms, Identity and Access Management IAM service in the web console. Create a new service account and grant access to GCS with the store object admin role. The service account will be used by the microservice in interact with the Google Cloud Store service. After that service account is created, navigate to the key tabs and add a new key. Saves the private key in your local machine in JSON format. Enable Google version API. Next, navigate to the Google version service with promoted enable to the auto ML API. This will enable us to leverage version API to analyze the image. Number 3. Create a Google Cloud Storage buckets. The microservice will leverage Google Cloud servers to store the image and analyze the result in the GCS file and store inside a bucket, a logistical resource that group multiple objects in. If you have never created a bucket before, simply follow the steps to learn how to do it. You can choose any bucket's name you want, thought the name need to be globally unique, and adjust the microservice code accordingly. For reference, in our example below, we named our example. Number 4. Create the image facing microservice. If your local machine, create a folder names and a copy that previously downloaded IAM service account key file to it with the names CGP credential JSON. Inside the folder, create two files, doc files and encryption SS copy, and paste the following code to each of the files respectively. This code will create the dockets